Okay, so it's Monday the 30th of March. It's 2 weeks since we started the small lawn project. So we're just pulling in this morning. It's a lovely day. We've had loads of rain, so I thought, well, why not go to Tenerife for a few days? So I went there last weekend, and look at this, rain, 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 more rain, and it's rained since we got back. But today seems a little bit better, bit of blue sky, and we're just pulling in now at the job. Customer has said it's blown off a few times and they've been out and put it back on, so let's just have a quick look. So it looks intact, not bad. So we're good in that respect, in terms of it's been covered most of the time, other than when it blew off overnight. It's just been so windy as well, and you can see how windy it is, because it looks like when the BBC put the frost covers on the pitch at winter and put the heaters underneath, that's what it looks like on a miniature scale. So let's go and have a look and let's see what we're going to do today. Okay, so we're just out of the van. Let's have a quick look under cover. Let's have a look. Oh yes, plenty of seed popping over this end. See all that up close? See all those, the red with the green tip? That's our new grass seed, so that's great news. How that's ended up under there, I don't know. Annual meadow grass, aplenty, but we knew that was going to be the case. So let's get the rest off and let's see how it looks, because I think we're going to have to give it a cut. So before we crack on with taking the covers off, let's just remind ourselves of what we've been up to here since January. Late Jan, we came and we cut all the edges and we give it a moss treatment. And then a few weeks after that, we came and we got the weed bang out. We borrowed it from the posh job and gave this left side here really good going over, because this is where the moss was quite prevalent. And then 2 weeks ago, we came and did the renovation. So we gave it a Verifier with the Allett Verifier attachment in the sterling. And we then slotted, seeded, put some drainage in a bag on, some wetting agent granules, seeded, top dressed with field compost number 4, and then put the covers on. So that is what we've been up to. So let's get these covers off and let's see the big picture. So you might have a dilemma now. It's like, well, what do I do? I've got most of the lawn which is growing actively, needs cutting, but we've got this bit just down here which is just coming through. Well, we can't just like not do that bit just to save this bit. So we'll do everything, but we'll just very gently just roll over this. It'll be absolutely fine. I'll prove to you that just going over this with your mower won't do any harm to the grass seed. So I'm not saying we're going to turn on it or anything. We're just going to push and pull, but we can't leave that like that because it's too long. So we're going to end up losing control of it already before we've even started. So that's the plan. So let's crack on and get the hater out, and we'll just do it on number 2, and that'll be fine. And then we'll get the products on, which are going to help this come through a little bit quicker. Okay, so everything's looking really good. See, it's filling in nicely, and I think this is, I know that area doesn't look like the best it's looked, but it will do. But there's never seen so much grass on this lawn, I don't think. From when I turned up, it was just full of moss, and now we can really see it coming in. It's only March, so we're thinking another 2 weeks, what's it going to look like, and then in another 2 weeks after that, and so on and so forth. It's really going to fill in. So I'm really impressed with what we've done so far, with the temperatures we've had as well, because we've had like 4 days last weekend when it was quite hot, but other than that, it's been very grim, very wet and very cold. So let's get on with some products. It's a little bit windy, but it's only small lawn, it's not going to do any harm. We're not spraying chemicals, just spraying nutrition, so it doesn't matter if it blows around a little bit. So just got to do what I can do when I get here. But if you can wait for a dry day and a non-windy day, you do that, because you live at your house. I just visit these houses. All right, so just mixing our products up. Got Stella, which is going to do great things for the roots here on that new seed and the existing grass as well. I'm going to put some slow growing as well, because I want to try and slow down that bottom end and help that seed catch up a little bit. So we'll just put a drop of that in. It's 2 mils per square metre. So you can choose what you want. You can go on at full rate or half rate. If you want to do half rate, if you're not sure, you're just a bit nervous, that's fine. But I'm just confident that the products work and won't do any harm, because I've used them for years. So this will help get the root down on that new seed, down into the ground a bit more, get it anchored. And this is just vitamins that will help the new seed and the old grass get rid of any free radicals that are knocking around, which are oxidized cells. And then just for a bit of feed for the new seed, I'm just going to go on with half rate of Dan's Magic. So I'm just going to put that in. I've already got some water in here, because I don't want all that just going straight to the bottom, just in case it doesn't get mixed properly. So we know that's 35 square metres. So that's 10 mils per square metre, so that'll be 350 mils you would need at full rate. But because we're going at half rate, we half that, which becomes 175 mils. So I can see 200 now, just gauge around there. So that's half rate. Go on at full rate if you want. It's not going to do any harm. But just don't want to feed it too much. We've got that bottom end growing as well, which is going to take it up. So we kind of don't want to kind of slow it down and then speed it up as well with the feed. So we're just going to half it. But we do need to give that new seed a bit of feed as well. So it's just a balancing act, and I think this will be absolutely fine. So let's go spray. Okay, so that's it for this video. It's just a quick one, just an update to show you how we're getting on and what you should be doing if you've done the same as me this early. Hopefully you've held off, but like I said, I've just got to crack on because I've got so much to do. But what we are going to be doing this week is, the weather is improving later on in the week, so we're going to do Peter's front lawn. We've done the back, so we'll be taking the covers off that and doing the front, and then on Wednesday we're going to be going over to the posh job and starting renovating the square that we killed off. So we'll see you there next time on Daniel Hibbert Lawn Expert, where we will of course be doing something, as always, lawn related. Bye for now.